On the other hand, our families were waiting for their loved ones. The rescue operations are still ongoing. They're holding on to hope that their loved ones may have made through this tragedy. We have a report from the ground on the rescue operations that are ongoing and the challenges that are faced by the rescuers. Take a look.
Times Now is at Ground Zero reporting from Uttarkashi. We are currently to the nearest location at the Gangani Bridge, which is under construction. But to show you that how our forces, the rescue team, the ITBP, the SDRF, the State Police, the Indian Army is working continuously 24/7 to build this bridge from where we are reporting right now. But just to build a bridge is not just the challenge, but this entire pathway that they have to cross is quite challenging. You can see that how the teams of SDRF are present over here. They have tied a rope, and by this rope they are moving downwards. You can see that the other team is also standing over there, and there is in fact to connect the two ends in between the river. There is in fact a stick, a bamboo stick, a log of wood is kept over there so that they can cross this entire passage, and it is certainly very difficult. Harinder, show my feet as well that how we are standing over here in a tough terrain, because it at any point of time can collapse. But still, to show that how our rescue teams are working 24/7. BRO, also one of the most important part of this rescue team, who is here to build the roads. Show that visual of how the rope is tied to that particular tree, and from there it is tied to the another end of this entire stone of this hill, and then they move to the different place. And in fact, we also managed with a great difficulty to come over here. The State Police is over here to help us, and that is how we managed, because the flow of water, the intensity with which it's flowing is quite tough. There also you can see that how the team has reached over there is quite tough, because they have to now construct this bridge. You can see that how they are trying to put that stone so that the construction of bridge could be done and it can lead towards Dharali. The reason why we are reporting from over here is so that we can show that so that we can show that why they have reached over here and why it is difficult for them to reach towards Dharali, and why it is taking so long to reach towards Harshil, because there is no connectivity, there is no network, and there is no road connectivity as well. Video journalist Harendra is showing you the visuals with the same risk that I am taking right now, and these are the ground reports that Times Now is giving you minute to minute.